Hello, this is Casey with Management One. Are you looking for a 3-bedroom home in Fontana, California? If so, stop what you're doing. I've got the place for you. Today, I'm at 15720 Reed. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's got a great open floor plan with tons of lighting. It's conveniently located off the 210, close to the schools in the heart of Fontana. Come with me as we go take a look. If you can see yourself in this beautiful backyard, make sure to go to M1 Rent today. You can put in an application or you can schedule a viewing, but don't wait, this one won't last.